everybody. This right here is the Marine Corps AH-1. It stands for Attack Helicopter 1 Cobra. So AH-1 Cobra. And it's twin engines, so you got engine on one side, on the other side, and you got the pilot right here and the gunner right here. I was gonna just leave it penciled, so I didn't film this part where I inked it in with the microns. So it's all inked in now. It was just, I was gonna just leave it pencilized in, but penciled, it took about 50 minutes and about another, I don't know, 15-20 minutes to ink it in right here. But yeah, AH-1 Cobra for the United States Marine Corps. And let's see, if you're wondering, them missiles right there, them are Hellfires, them are anti-tank missiles, but you also could take out buildings, bunkers, and all that. And these are unguided fin rockets, and they just kind of go out, and if there's infantry out or whatever, you take them out, and lightly armored cars or trucks, something like that. But yeah, so a little over an hour, probably an hour 10 minutes or so right here. I had fun with it. Thank y'all for watching, and maybe I'll do some more vehicles, but it is very challenging for me, but I think this turned out all right. AH-1 Cobra for United States Marine Corps. Thank you for watching. Soul Bred All American. Bye.